I'm currently in the Beirut, and this is the Ashrafia area of Beirut, which is considered as the safe area. Actually, near about 4,000 Indians work here in the Beirut. It is a small country but very mixed society. These 4,000 people, among those 3,000 have left during last 15 days from the Beirut after Beirut and the Lebanon after the escalation in tension between Israel and the Lebanon. We have with us Amandeep. He is running Satguru travel agency here in the Beirut city, and we will talk to him with them about the Indians in the country. Particularly, we have seen that Amandeep, 4,000 people are working, as you said, in the Lebanon. How many of them have left from Lebanon, and why? And why you have not left so far the Lebanon?
See, first of all, we have 4,000 Indians staying and living here, and they are successfully running their own business, and some of them are doing jobs as well. But more than 3,000 people they have left from last 1 year just because of the war situation. And as we all can see that less than 1,000 people are still here. But for the moment in Beirut city, if you are talking about, only 100 to 200 people are living here. If you are talking about me, I have business here and I am living in a very safer area, so I don't have any problem for the moment until I receive any notification from Indian government. And we are already in touch with Indian embassy also. If something happens, I hope, and we will definitely escalate ourselves and we will shift it toward the safer area.
Since when you are working here in the Lebanon?
It's been it's my fifth. It's been more than 5 years I am staying here.
During the last 5 years, you may have observed and witnessed the living and culture of this country. What thing attracted you towards this country?
Yeah. See, the people and their thinking, the Lebanese mentality is quite simple, and they are very workaholic.
And peace loving?
And peace loving, of course, peace loving. And all the people of Lebanese, they believe that we will involve ourselves among with all of them in day-to-day activities in order to run their business. So they believe in peace and workaholic. That's it.
So this is a mixed society here in the Beirut as well as in the Lebanon. You can see behind me a church is here in this Ashrafia area of the Beirut, and this is a mixed society which live in the Lebanon. There are Christians, there are Shia Muslims, Sunni Muslims, as well as the Hindus and Sikhs from India. But during the last few weeks, due to the fear and the escalation of tension between Lebanon and Israel, most of the Indians have left the country like other citizens from different countries are doing. Ashraf Ani for India Today in Beirut.